everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to scan documents using Google Drive completely free and without any watermark. It's super easy, fast, and you don't need to install any extra apps. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Drive like this, and then if you haven't logged in yet, just sign in using your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on camera icon, this one. And then in here you will see two options, auto capture and manual. And so what's the difference? Auto capture automatically detects your documents aids and takes a photo by itself, perfect when you want a quick hands-free scan. And then for the manual mode, will give you full control. You need to press this other button yourself when you're ready, and it's great when you need to adjust the angle or lighting first. And for example, in this tutorial I will use manual mode. So just let's try to capture the document by tap on this other button like this. Once you capture your document, Google Drive will automatically process it and show you a preview like this. Next, you can edit it or adjust the scan style depending on what you need. Like you can enhance the results and then maybe add filters. In here, you can use original mode like this for the realistic colors as your real document, or maybe auto or color, grayscale, black and white, or maybe a shadow. Just choose one that you like. And then next you can also crop it and rotate this document. Just edit it as you like before saving. And then if your document has multiple pages, no problem, just tap on this plus button to add page and just scan the next one. And Google Drive will automatically combine of all them into a single PDF. It's super handy for multi-page files like assignments, contracts, or receipts. And here's a bonus tip. You can also scan a document from photos in your gallery just by tap on this picture icon, and then just choose the picture from your phone that you want to turn into a scanned document, that you want to convert into a clean digital document instantly. And then after that, once you're happy with your scan, just tap on next, and then just rename the file as you like, and then choose your locations, choose your format, and then just upload to save your scanned document. And your document now save as a PDF or a picture format files with no watermarks, and it's completely free. And okay, that's how easy it is to scan documents using Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you!